6. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 8.
It was grueling. It was exhausting. But when the 20th Special Forces Group assesses potential new soldiers, they need to know their men can handle anything. The Illinois SF team put 36 service members from varying states through an onslaught of activities during a readiness assessment evaluation at Marseilles Training Center.
It's basically to test their mental toughness, to see if they want to continue to do this. We don't do anything that none of us have ever done in the past. We don't do anything that's going to hurt them. The guys that are physically fit and ready and have been, training for this, it hurts, but they make it through, and they've all got a smile on their face at the end of the day.
The hopefuls for Special Forces passed a physical fitness test, ruck march, written exams, and a simulated team exercise. All that, plus any other obstacle thrown their way during the weekend.
Hardest thing I've done to date, absolutely. I expected to be tested, and I was, to a considerable degree.
Of the 36 initial men in the assessment, the Special Forces team passed 5, 2 of whom are Illinois National Guardsmen. The next assessment is scheduled for September. Army Sergeant Brian Vorse, Marseilles Training Center, Illinois.